Hi everyone, welcome to Raj Computer Services channel. I am Raj, and in today's video the customer has told us that they are facing a no display issue. So we'll check it, what's the issue, we'll diagnose it. For that we would be connecting the display cable, the power cord and keyboard to check what the issue is. Connect the keyboard now to check if there is an issue in the display itself or what. So I'll just turn it on. Let's see what happens. I've turned it on. I can hear the CPU fans noise. Okay, there is no caps lock, num lock working. Oh, the light has come up and there is a display also. So it is telling there is no boot key found, and as soon as I try pressing escape, this means either there is a bad RAM or a bad CMOS. So we need to check. I'll just try once again. Oh, the same issue. So as soon as I turn it on again, there is no display. Now we'll open the cabinet and see what the issue is. First we'll try to swap RAM which is available with us, so that if there is a RAM issue we'll quickly come to know. Usually it is a RAM issue, but the first step of diagnosing, we replace RAM and see no display issue, because RAM is the most responsible part for the display. So I'll turn it off, turn it on again. Let's just check once again. There is no display sign. I'll just quickly check BGA, num lock, caps lock not working. So I'll turn it off and we'll replace the RAM. Okay, so it is a 4GB DDR3 RAM. We'll quickly reinsert it again and see first. Okay, let's see if there is any display. No, there is no display. So I'll quickly swap with the new RAM. Okay, I'll remove this RAM. Okay, and I'll put this new RAM. Okay, let's turn it on again after putting the RAM. I hope there is a display. No, there is no display. So if not a bad RAM, it could be due to bad BIOS setting. To reset the BIOS setting, we just need to remove the CMOS battery, which is coin shaped battery located in the motherboard, which powers the BIOS. We'll just remove it and keep it for few seconds, and then after few seconds we'll reinsert it. Now we'll just see if there is a display or not. Here comes the display. So now we can conclude that it was due to a bad BIOS setting. Okay, also the Windows has booted up. For any queries related to computer and laptop repairing, you can contact me on my given number. Also don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video